Yep, neighbors called a popo on me again for trying to get some footage. Unbelievable. Well, this is the second time this woman called the police on me. Do a little quick time check. It's 8:55. It's sunset. And that is not the west. That's the southwest. That's lit up like a candy cane. This your boy remix. It's the 20th, and it's been raining for 8 straight days. And I just had a weird feeling to come out here and just take a look anyway. This ratchet neighbor of mine, you think she's sexy and hot, and she's not. Called a popo on me. She called a popo on me before when I was taking pictures of the blood sun. Behind me. Yep. He tried to run me off my spot. Like I said, 3 cop cars up there after me. That's not the sun. It's 8:58. And let's point directly in the west. There's the north. That thing is lit up in the southwest. It's more, it's coming down into the west. I want to see how far this thing comes down. Get underneath the tree a little bit so I can try to get a better look at this thing. And there's this lightning popping off everywhere, behind me, in front of me. And this thing is super glowing. This is just straight up light. I ain't got no brightness turned down. I got no brightness turned up. Alright, they're behind me again. They're running me off my spot. Now they're pulling me over.